Nay. Keep him on. Keep him on. Cool. No, Nay. No, Nay. No, Nay. No. Not hot for the camera. You gonna come outside today? Hey. No. Look at Nay. Taking off on my boy.
Come here, Nay. Nay, come here, Nay. Come here, Nay. Let me holler at you real quick. Let me talk to you real quick, Nay. Come here, yeah. Yeah, come here. Let me say something to you.
No.
You going crazy, kid.
Nay.
Come here. What up with you?
It's a little blur. I'm fix it.
What up with you? Come to me.
You
Come
go.
to me. I'm gonna get you.
You can go, Nay.
Yeah, what up with you? Come here. Come on.
No.
You wanna come? Yep. You don't wanna come? You don't wanna come, Nay? You don't wanna come? Oh, God. Oh, you going crazy.
Willing. What's wrong with her? No, Nay.
Nay, you know, nice that we kick it.
To the mall to see can we get my cousin phone fixed. I'm sorry, I ain't trying to be funny. I'm editing laughing out, but yeah, boy.
Come on, Cole, they got window, man. That shit. You ain't even showing the full effect, though. That bitch got
No, dude.
What else? Oh, man. You gonna watch me, Okay, now we gonna get another phone regardless.
Yeah, we finna get that thing fixed though. You know who we got back there? That was on my
Damn, Nay.
Nay. Nay.
It rain kind of hard, dude.
Oh, she looked at it. No. That's what we're gonna do right now. And then gonna go get my boyfriend. I might
muscles though, man. I'm telling y'all, that was hard work.
I might put his friend on the vlog. I don't know. It's up to him, you know. But
what up with you, Nay?
He on a bigger video anyway, so.
What's up with you, Nay?
No. It's tough.
Huh?
Let me see the back. Alright. Starting Crest right now. We got the nice to with me, got the, you know, got the K shirt on.
Yeah.
The ice, the bag. I really. The Naster.
What you pointing at, Nay?
I got my old shirt on. You know we blacked out today. It's a family thing. Oh, I cut my own hair, kid, you know?
Yeah,
but my cousin, he fucked with me on the back because that thing was straight in one of my videos today.
What you got going on, kid? What you thinking about?
Following me.
What do you think? Talk to me, man. Come on, Nay. Come on, talk to me.
Uncle D want to talk to you. Come on.
Come on, Nay. Come on, let me talk to you, man.
Dang. Oh, shit. Oh, snap. I'm going to edit that out.
Come here. Let me talk to you.
I'm going to bring it to you.
You just all type of girl. You don't know this. Come here. Let me talk to you. What I say? What I tell you? Oh, she going crazy. Oh, she going crazy.
No, Nay. She like, I'm trying to get down. I don't care how I fall.
Go.
Tell him stop playing with you, Nay. Man, you look beautiful.
Go be grown. We'll see you later. Go explore the world. I know for a fact you ain't finna go up themselves.
I'm gonna get down, Nay.
Look how she walking.
She about to fall.
Look how she walking. Look how she walking.
Where you going? The Naster. You know, she laughing at you, D.
Everything all of a sudden I give you now, huh? When I grab you back up, you gonna start crying.
That's why I got down. She taking off too.
Where you going?
Her face trying not to fall. She doing it full circle. She doing it again. She finna do it again, D.
Yeah. Keep going. Show me some.
What is you
Move it
doing?
around again. Move it around again. Come on, now go again. Go again.
That shit around the phone 3 times.
Damn, I like that head.
You ain't gonna touch that dog, Nay. No, Nay, you ain't gonna touch it. You scared?
See, she looking at shit. Come on.
You scared of it, Nay? No, she beat it up. No, Nay. Ah,
Come on, Dave.
come on.
You going crazy. She look, she's smiling.
She looked at me like, nah.
You at the house? Where you at?
She crying.
You in the shower? You in there? What up, kid? 2,000 around my neck.
You went?
2,000 around my neck. I did.
Oh, my camera messing up, but it's great. No, let me get a little closer though. Hey.
Good for a living.
How much?
2,000 around my neck.
Monopoly, Trap, CL.
I get rich. Might be 10, 20.
Yeah,
You back there
Hey,
munching.
crybaby.
She said, hey, yeah.
Look at that crybaby. That's so true. Check my boy. Sean tattoo. Sean new one. My vlog. I don't know you got the new one.
What new one? Oh shit. Yeah, I forgot for a minute, kid.
Who did that?
I think his name's King Drake, 2115.
My boy, I did my first tattoo on my cousin. Y'all see, look, hey, you know, just started, but I'm gonna get right. Look though.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Y'all
Oh yeah, no, told y'all I was gonna get feed. Can't show y'all the message. Oh, there you go.
Ain't no messages on there, you know. It's just a screen, you know. It's good, you know. The back still fucked up.
We're gonna get that fit too though.
Fuck the feet. We gonna get a whole nother phone. A whole nother one.
My boy finna be happy.
But you can lay with me so it doesn't hurt. Oh, won't you stay with me?
Yeah, that's a real.
Cause you're all I need.
Y'all didn't see last night, boy. It was tent.
Tents and everything. Everybody camped.
Boy, they was camping out for Chick-fil-A.
It was other white
I
people
told,
in the whole
hold up. I told Zach they gonna run out of business. Look at them. You gotta get a couple days. This last trip right here. No, Walmart.
Why she let you hold it? She don't let
That's what I was thinking.
She was crying at first.
Oh, DB holding.
Nah, she let me hold it on.
What is that? What is that?
She was talking about me.
Oh, you? Oh, yeah, we had to bribe her with some chips and some juice.
Oh. Here you go, Nate.
She did like get some eyelashes.
Yeah, don't let her get a grip. I'm telling you.
Maester.
She gonna rip them off. Don't let her get a grip.
Oh, this period.
Hey y'all.
Nah, she
my boyfriend.
Puerto Rican.
No, my boy D.
What? Blocking these folks.
How you doing, man?
At this moment, I was like, no. I know she didn't just smack my boy hand like that. Like, wow, bruh. And then they just looking like, no. Uncle D, you gonna let her smack your hand like that? You go out bad. Not even bad. You go out sad. Why you don't want to dump my boy D up? No, Pierce through the head now.
I'm finna up the fire.
You finna wet? Up the fire.
Ooh, look, I started reaching in my pocket, but
I believe.
I went up. My bad, dog.
He look. They playing how to go seek in the Walmart. No, look at my boy face. Oh, that gonna be funny to me. When I seen his face in the camera, I'm like, no. She probably done ran off with my baby for real. He had me real concerned after I seen them eyes. Deep down inside, even though I'm smiling, boy, my heart was beeping and beeping and beeping. I got a freezer over there. Oh, they playing hide go seek in Walmart. Oh, boy, I was finna say.
But y'all was not just right
But
there.
y'all was not right
You just
there.
walked past.
So why she ain't look up?
She kept talking to me. Look how she smiling. You're not. I'm sorry.
Yeah, she do think. Oh, she already got that at home.
Oh, she got that
She
one.
already got that. Nay? Yeah.
Look at her.
Yeah, dap up, D.
Oh, that was your kid?
Yeah.
Damn.
Like this one?
Let me see.
I'm gonna
Oh,
edit that
that's
out.
cute.
At this point, I'm in disbelief. Like, did she really just push his hand again? Not one time, but 2 times. I'm like, what's going through her mind? What give her the right to throw my boy a hand like that again? And then he didn't do nothing again. I thought he was gonna up the fight this time. I'm just shocked by what I am witnessing, what I am seeing.
I'm trying to see it.
I'm gonna edit that out.
Alright, Jay, you might have got lucky, kid. Oh, no, alright.
Who this? What up, kid? Look at my dog.
What
She
are
was-
you doing with time? What are you doing with these little ass shorts?
I ain't that kid.
Don't come in here with him again.
They make the same one, man. The other one.
Yeah, the other one's right here.
At least you know they was Daisy Dukes.
Oh
At
yeah.
least
How
you
much
know.
were they though?
Why
Is
did you
it?
let him come in here with these little ass shorts? That's him.
Tell her
That's your
that.
baby?
That's my baby.
That's your baby? Stop wearing the shorts.
Hey.
You got it today. You got it today. You gonna have it every day. How I feel being broke.
You see how I feel being broke? It's not something I'm not used to it, man. I'm just not. I'm used to having a lot of money, man.
How your wallet used to look?
How my
Come
wallet
and
used to
fold.
look. Never could fold, man.
He had to just sit in the middle. Just let it sit there.
I just spent $500 on the chain. I should
Dang.
never did it. I don't know why I did it. It just looked good, you know. It looked real good, not this one. Yeah, this one right here. Spent $500 on this shit. You know, it danced though. You know,
Yeah, dude.
it danced.
Bro did get him. He was like, come on, man. Come on.
I was like, drug me in there.
When he grabbed the orange, though.
I hit home.
I knew it was over when he
I'm
grabbed
still
the
gonna
orange.
check it out though. You know what I'm saying? Even though you try to grab me like I was a little hoe, I'm still gonna check it out. But don't top me up so much, I'm got to looking at that bitch.
Yeah,
Good.
anything, but on God.
Look, bro seen my wallet. He seen the money.
Oh yeah,
hanging
he
in my
said,
wallet.
"Oh,
He
you
said,
want to pay for it now?"
you can pay now. I said,
For the
nah,
450?
kid, I'm on a budget, man. But say your wallet looking a little fat.
Oh, but hold up! Don't forget to get some merch.
Oh yeah, you
When we
did.
drop it,
It's dropping soon. You did.
yeah. When we drop it, you know, right here, this shirt old, but this what it gonna look
It's
like.
really hard though, but I just seen it in the camera, kid. You did. I need to go ahead and get the rest of them hoes.
I'm finna tap out the last. But Cam choking over there.
Shit. Taking them slow points.
Choking. He let head come all the way back.
Not bad, man.
Yeah. Jordan hot. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Are we gonna go back 1-1 then?
We can do that. I mean, the game though. Try to find it.
Oh yeah. That's it.
The book. The book.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's it.
Will live.
No.
Is that why he hot?
2K.
Get up. Get up on. Shut up. Get my way. Oh.
Going for the 3 head.
Oh.
Oh no, he ain't. Yeah, head got this nigga.
That made me miss that shit while he was hot, yeah.
Yeah, he supposed to make that. Oh yeah.
Like that.
Easy dunk. Oh, that boy got the combos. Money. Oh no, he choked.
Ain't nothing but some defense.
He choked. He finna miss.
Who for the mid? Get on me.
Oh, it's over.
Well, I was over with.
My boy. Oh. Oh.
I'm back.
Stop playing with me.
I'm back.
I do my work.
If I'm not at the crib, my uncle might serve. I take him my phantom, I drink a little dirty. I hop in the foreign, no Kentucky Derby. This truck closed late and it open early. Exotic through the weekend, OG's on Thursdays. Gotta suck it just to get this Birkin. Watch the junkie hit the dope and her vision got blurred.
Yeah, I'm at the crib, I'm good, my serve. I break down the wood and I fill it with sherbet. It's hot folk, the cook color purple. She bad to the bone, still just gon' serve. I take a main bitch and I make her work. I go through the tip and I make her a twerk. He wanna act tough, put him on the surf. I pull up and wood, they are not from this surf. Ready to wait on the reeds you surf. I start with the stick, keep breaking the curve. But sure, just pull up, no.